it comes to safety and security, we got you covered.
Because here at the University of Nueva Caceres, College of Criminal Justice Education,
from the crime scene to the courtroom,
to protecting and saving lives.
in times of emergency and disasters,
making them excellent communicators of safety and security, competent crime and incident report writers, skilled investigators, and well-disciplined student aiming for national standards. Pioneering in EOD and K-9 training in the country, the only school to have immersion program at National Police Training Institute, Region 5, University of Nueva Caceres. College of Criminal Justice Education now offers Bachelor of Forensic Science, first in Bicol.